Okay, I'm here in Weatherford. Most of the communities have these phones. As you can see, this phone has registration 20. It is locked. When it says unlock, basically that's the key you need to press to unlock it. This is the base of the Ingenious cordless phones. This is the 4-line system. There are 2 lines that are tied to the cordless unit, and the 3rd line is basically coming from Teltron, which is the nurse call integration. Right now there are no lines in use. If I were to use this phone, it's unlock and 1, and now if I go off hook, now 1, and you can see that line 1 is in use. As soon as I hang up from here, that will go off, and you can see it goes off. This is in reverse, but there's a register button, and then there's a below that register button is a small pinhole, which is the reset button, RST. I had to take this from sort of upside down. Here's the server. On top of the server are the channel banks. There are 2 channel banks, one in front and one in the back. These channel banks connect to the patch panel in the back. These are the data ports, and here's the voice ports. So each number corresponds to a voice port in somebody's room. Okay, here's the critical part. Here's an ATA. There are basically 3 ATAs right here. One ATA 42, and if you can read the IP address, it says 10.111.8.54. Then there's the ATA 41. So 41 and 42 are basically for the cordless phones. Here's the front door ATA. It says 53 on it, and it also gives you the IP address of that ATA. So if it's working, this is the first thing to check. If the cordlesses are not working, this is the first thing to check, that they're not flashing red or they're not green. This is the Viking unit, which basically goes to the door, which goes to the ATA for the front door. So when somebody pushes the button on the front door, it basically rings the ATA, which basically rings all the office phones and the cordless phones, and they can answer and open the door from those phones. Alright, here's Cody at Weatherford. So if you when Cody calls or you call Weatherford, you can ask for him.